Hello, I make this video to show you a simple way to flash your SOCORAD32 even for the first time. So first download the flash download tools from ESP32 website. I will put all needed information on description. So open the file. You can extract it to the folder you want. I'll put it on the desktop. Now I want to open this extracted path and open the flash tool. Then I am on a virtual machine, so this is not the best performances. I can go back to the Github section, download the firmware on the release section. So you go to the release section here, and for the moment this is the only one release, and you can download the firmware here. Okay. So once the flash download tool is open, select ESP32 and develop work mode and press OK. Then check this and press the dots button. No. I take the firmware I just downloaded and to the address 0 here. Okay, you have to select the COM port here, but if you go to the device manager, if you connect your SOCORAD32 with a USB port and you don't have a USB serial here on the COM ports section, you will have to download the CH340 driver to be able to communicate with serial over USB with your ESP32. I will put the link in the description to download this driver. Okay, my driver is installed and I've checked in my device manager. It's here, so press start and it will burn the firmware on the ESP32 normally. Oh, it's okay. Now it's uploading the firmware on the SOCORAD. Okay, it appears to be finished. So now, when it's finished, you can press the enable button here and it will reset the ESP32. And once it's done, normally you will have the new firmware with more functionalities and a new menu that you can find by pressing plus or less buttons for more than a half second. You can select channels here, and for the moment this is only the two functions that are working that need to be fixed a bit, but it's working. Now the Vox is enabled, and if I disable it, yep, now it's disabled. Thank you.